Throughout its 9 decades in business, Universal Builders Supply has earned its reputation as an expert hoisting, access, and protection system company. Safety, efficiency, and access are all extremely important when constructing high-rise buildings, especially in the tight confines of New York City, which has limited space to receive and store material. To address these challenges, UBS developed a proprietary common platform installation method, which significantly increases safety and efficiency by allowing the construction of the modular pod to occur in a controlled work area at ground level. The common platform installation method revolves around a multi-level steel-framed structure called the work platform. It serves as the hub for material unloading, storage, assembly, and installation, and is designed to maximize efficiency while occupying minimal space. The primary construction site remains open and easily accessible, with work and deliveries able to continue simultaneously. Deliveries can occur throughout the day, with the loading and unloading made easier with the aid of multiple underslung trolley beams. The use of cabling allows equipment and materials to be lifted through an opening directly above the delivery area, expediting the work process and enabling trucks to get in and out faster. The enclosed work platform provides a workshop environment where the crew works to construct the modular pods. It is also equipped with engineered tie-off points and room for material storage. The common platform is assembled in either 1 or 2 floor pods, preset to match the landing heights for the floor it will be serving. Any materials and equipment required to make the final connection to the building is secured on the deck and lifted with the pod, eliminating the need to use hoist cars. The connection crew are already in the tower, positioned to set and secure the pod. The upper deck of the work platform is constructed above the pod assembly area and includes a retractable roof. When closed, it serves as overhead protection for the crew assembling the pod. Once the pod is complete and the lifting slings are securely connected, the retractable portion of the roof is rolled back. The crane is hooked to the slings and the pod pick begins. The assembled pod is lifted and placed at the top of the common platform, many stories above ground. For safety reasons, the hoist cars are temporarily suspended while the pod is picked, placed, and secured, a process which typically takes less than 10 minutes. Once the pod is secure, the hoist cars resume normal operations and the connection of the common platform is completed. This process continues until every floor of the building is topped off. To recap, there are many benefits to the UBS Common Platform Installation method. Critical time in the tower at height risk is minimized for the crew. The crew performs 90% of their work at ground level in an enclosed workshop environment. The amount of material being hoisted to the upper floors is greatly reduced. Hoist cars can continue to carry the workforce and other necessary materials. It reduces loading dock congestion. The common platform is lightweight and modular, and you can close the curtain faster. If you would like to learn more, contact UBS today to discuss your next project's needs.